Most men don't lose respect because they're poor or unattractive. They lose respect because they act weak. And the worst part? They don't even notice they're doing it. If you're tired of being ignored, talked over, or treated like a joke, then listen carefully, because I'm about to expose 5 habits that instantly make you look weak, and how to fix every single one. Starting today. Follow through, because most men exhibit the 5th habit, assuming it makes them appear nice. Let's begin. Habit number 1. Apologizing when you don't need to. If sorry is your default reaction, then you're already losing. You apologize when someone bumps into you. You apologize before asking a question. You apologize for existing. You think you're being polite, but people read it as, "This man has no backbone." To fix this, only apologize when you're truly wrong. Instead of saying, "Sorry to bother you," say, "Excuse me, quick question." Change your words, change your presence. Habit number 2. Weak body language. Slouched posture, soft movements. You don't need to say a single word. Your posture is already telling people whether you're a prey or a predator. If your shoulders are rolled in, your steps are quiet, and your hands are constantly fidgeting, then you look afraid of the world. From today, stand tall. Shoulders back and down. Walk like you're going somewhere, not like you're sneaking through life. Take purposeful pauses instead of nervous fidgeting. Confidence is seen before it's heard. Habit number 3. Over-explaining yourself. Weak men don't just answer, they justify. They feel the need to explain every decision, apologize for their choices, and ask for permission to exist. Newsflash: confident men don't over-explain. They act. Next time you are in such a situation, say what you mean, once. If someone challenges you, repeat it calmly. Don't over-defend it. Let your actions be your proof. Habit number 4. Speaking too softly or too fast. If people keep asking you to repeat yourself, it's not their ears, it's your weak delivery. Speaking too softly or too fast tells people, "I don't believe in what I'm saying." From now on, lower your tone slightly. Slow down your words. Add controlled pauses. They show dominance. Confidence is not loud, it's steady and certain. Habit number 5. Seeking approval before action. You overthink everything. You ask 5 people for permission before you do anything. You wait for validation instead of taking initiative. Leaders move, followers ask, "Is this okay?" Try this from today. Start doing things without announcing them. Make decisions without permission. Move first, explain later, or don't explain at all. If any of these habits hit you hard, then that is a good sign. It means you're self-aware enough to grow. Weakness isn't a life sentence, it's a choice. And every one of these behaviors can be fixed, starting today. If you're ready to rebuild yourself into a man, people will respect, not ignore. Then stick around. Subscribe to the Bold Man channel, because I'm just getting started.